Hey Fit Fam, today I'm giving you a new healthy recipe. Some high protein cinnamon French toast. Stay tuned.
I refuse to be outworked.
A list of all of our ingredients for this will be in the description below. First off, we're starting with unsweetened applesauce. Next, some vanilla extract, some sugar-free syrup, whole wheat bread, unsweetened almond milk, cage-free egg whites, and a protein powder of your choice. First, we'll start with our mixture. You're going to put a half cup of almond milk into your mixing bowl. Next, 1 scoop of your protein powder of your choice. For this, I chose Muscle Farms Compact Protein. That's just one of my personal favorites. Next up is egg whites. You can use regular eggs instead, but for macro purposes and keeping your cholesterol down, egg whites is a better suggestion for you. Now some unsweetened applesauce. This is an underrated, good macro sweetener for your recipes. I know you're thinking white and applesauce, but you'll thank me later. This is definitely an underrated, as I said, sweetener for any recipe that you use. Some vanilla extract for extra flavor. Some ground cinnamon. And now it's time to mix our batter up. If you like this video so far, don't forget to like it, share it. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And let's finish mixing it up now, guys. And now it's time to cook it. First off, you're going to take your bread and let it dip and soak in your mixing batter. That way it's soaking in all the flavor of everything you just made. And while this is happening, you're going to spray down your cooking area. I'm using a 0-calorie butter flavored cooking spray. It's non-stick, so once you put it on, it's not going to stick, leave a crazy mess. And then you're going to throw it on. Let it cook for a little while on each side. Flip it. And then you're done. Repeat after that, however many pieces you want. And then you're going to eat it and enjoy it. After it's all finished, it should look something like this. Then you can add your sugar-free syrup and enjoy it. Now that's finally finished. I'll leave the macros right here. And it's time for the taste test, guys. This recipe made 6 pieces, so the macros will reflect that. And let's go. The first time you see me using a fork. Definitely some restaurant-grade French toast right here, guys. Won't be able to tell the difference. If you try this recipe out, please let me know. If you have recipes that you want me to try, please leave them below. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it? Hey Fit Fam, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe right here. If you want a video just like this, please click right here. And if you want to see my newest video, please click here. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?
I refuse to be outworked.